Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw alphabets and numbers. Green color. The next one is ultramarine color. Yellow color. Black color. Black color. Kids, the next one is red color. Now we draw alphabets and numbers. First we draw alphabets. Now we draw capital letter alphabets A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cat, C for cow. Now we draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for goat. And the next one is H. The alphabet of H. H for hand. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E. 1. The next one is 2. The number of 2. T-W-O. 2. The next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. The next one is 4. The number of 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.